It's important to measure up for your insulated panel roof correctly so it can be priced accurately. Also known as composite or sandwich panels, these can be manufactured to your specific requirements in length, thickness, color, or finish. First up, we need to establish the pitch of the roof. Southern Sheeting have developed a handy smartphone app which will calculate this for you. Make sure the pitch of the roof is 4 degrees or above. Once we've established the pitch, we need to measure the distance between the purlins. The purlins or battens should be no more than 2 meters apart, measuring center to center. In this case, it's 1.3. For more accurate building regs, check with a qualified professional before you start. Next up, measure the length of the slope or rafter. Where you start depends on whether you have an apex, also known as an up and over roof, or a single slope roof. With an apex roof, measure from the center line of the ridge, and this is where your sheet will finish. It reduces the gap you'll need to fill with insulation foam once the sheet is finished. Check out our film on mastics and foam for more on that. For a single slope roof, measure from the outside edge of the building all the way down to the wall plate or eaves beam. This building measures 4 meters. It's important to leave an overhang on the sheet for water to run off. This is known as your cutback. The size of the cutback is determined by the type or width of your gutter. As a general rule, it should be a little more than halfway over your gutter center line. In this case, it's 50 mil. So now we know the length of sheets required, let's work out how many we need. We do this by measuring the overall length of the building from outside edge to outside edge. Here it's 2 meters. Each panel covers a meter, including the overlap, known as the cover width. If your building is, say, 2.2 meters, you'd need to order 3 sheets and cut on site to fit the building. When working out which direction to lay the panels, ensure the exposed joints of the side laps face away from the prevailing wind. The panels can be made with the overlap on either side, right or left. Now you've got all your measurements, contact us at Southern Sheeting and we'll help you take your project to the next stage. Look out for our films on how to fit and install insulated panels.